Hello everyone. Welcome to another session with your Desilicious Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make rasam. In South India, rasam is the best loved soup, but it is just more than soup. There are different kinds of rasam, but today we are going to show you the basic rasam. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel Desilicious Kitchen and press the bell icon for notification. So to make this rasam, we have taken one small lemon-sized tamarind, soaked it in warm water and extracted 2 cups of tamarind juice. And then we have taken 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and some salt to taste. This will also go into the tamarind juice first. 1 green chili broken and asafoetida powder 1/4 teaspoon. 2 tomatoes washed and chopped. And now these are stems of coriander leaves. This will give a nice flavor and aroma to the rasam. And we have taken the curry leaves also with the tender stem. We have washed them both. This will also go into the tamarind juice and it will be brought to a boil. Jaggery, one small piece. And that is cooked. That is tur dal, 1/4 cup, which we have cooked soft, and then we have added 2 cups of water and diluted it. These are a few curry leaves which will go into tempering. For garnishing, we have taken 1 tablespoon coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon ghee, and half teaspoon mustard seeds will go for tempering, half teaspoon jeera or cumin seeds, and 1 red chili broken. This is asafoetida powder. Again, some of it will go into the tempering. So now the tamarind juice, we are adding the salt and turmeric powder first. The green chili and hing or asafoetida powder, the curry leaves with the stem, the coriander leaf stem, mix it well. Now we have switched on the flame. And immediately we are adding in the tomatoes. Again mix well. Now we have brought this to a boil and now we are adding the rasam powder. We have added 1 tablespoon rasam powder. We forgot to mention this in the content. We have added in the jaggery now. And again we have brought it to a boil and now we are adding in the tur dal or split pigeon peas which we have cooked soft and diluted. We will bring this also to a boil. Now we have switched off the flame and we have added in some coriander leaves. Now let us close this with a lid, and now we have heated a skillet and added some ghee for the tempering. So in go the mustard seeds, jeera or cumin seeds after the mustard seeds have crackled, the red chili broken, some asafoetida powder, curry leaves broken. We have switched off the flame now, and now we are adding this tempering to the rasam. The tempering has given awesome flavor and aroma to the rasam. Our rasam is now all ready to be served. As I said, you can always have it just as a soup, or you can mix it with hot rice and have it with some accompaniment. But now let us close it for just 2 minutes to infuse the aroma and flavor, and now we are serving it. So this is the awesome basic rasam, but you can always tweak this. Our recipes are always open for tweaking according to your taste buds. Hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. And today we are going to have this rasam with बैंगन की सब्जी, मसालेदार and rice. Do check out this recipe in our channel and also do not forget to check out the rasam powder recipe. Bye for now. See you soon with another video. Take care.